Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss another upload. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in. Guys, today I did this nice peachy makeup tutorial. It's like a spring makeup, and I got this inspiration from Marie. She's here on YouTube, so you can go ahead and check her video out. So all I did, I just went ahead, do a nude cut crease, add some peach, some glitter liner, and also add a touch of green to the bottom lash line. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieved it, continue to watch. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'm going to be using my ABH times Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to use first going to edges and then use ginger to blend out the harsh edges, and then going with ginger and use that to deepen the crease.
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPEN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a ball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a ball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPEN. Take that hot road and hop in.
Now I'm going to go in and cut the crease, and I'll be using the Tarte Sharpe Tape Concealer in Tense and Deep, and I'm going to use that to do a full cut crease.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPEN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open.
So after cutting the crease, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques brush and use that to tap away the excess concealer, because I don't want the when I put down the matte shadows, I don't want them to be clumpy. I'm going to go in again with the same color that I use in the crease, which is Credit, and I'm going to use that at the outer corner of the cut crease.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engage.
I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics palette, which is my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use that peachy shade and place it right next to Credit.
You OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging.
For the inner corner of the cut crease, I'm going to go into that shade from my Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and I'm going to place that all over the blank canvas that's left, and then I'm going to go ahead and also fade the edges of all three shadows so that they blend properly. Now I'm going to go in with some glitter from Lashmeup. The glitter is from FlutteredbyRo, sorry, and I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer, and it's a brown, just a brown glitter. So I'm going to just place it on the lash line where I have the wing liner, but I will not take it all the way out to the end of the wing.
Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she said that she
I'm just using the makeup wipes to remove the like the fallouts from the glitter or the shadow, and then I'm gonna go in and prime my face and add my moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I use is the Unicorn Essence from Farsali, and the primer is the mattifying primer from Bare Minerals. So I'm just tapping that into my skin, and then I'll be using a new foundation today, which is the Too Faced foundation. And yes, it's new to me, but maybe old to some of you guys, and I'm using the shade Shy. So I'm just adding that. I won't be showing a lot of my foundation routine. I'll place it down below. I'll place my wing liner video down below, and I'll also I apply my lashes. So I'll put 3 videos down below for you guys to check out.
contemplation over our situation. Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
And yes, this is my newborn. I just gave her something to eat, so I just breastfeed her. So that's why she's in my video. I'm burping her now. So now I'm going to go into my so I'm using my Fenty powder, and it's in honey, the shade honey. So I'm using that to set my face instead of my Sacha Buttercup today.
Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open.
So I like my face today. I'll be using the Shayla times Colourpop Cosmetics highlighter in Boomin. So I'm using that to highlight the parts of my face that I normally highlight. For lips, I'm using a Ruby Kisses brown lip pencil, and then I'm gonna go in with my NYX liquid lingerie in corset, and then I'm just gonna add some gloss to it to make it shiny. Sorry, not corset, but Bustier. I just went back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and used that lemon green shade to finish off the eyes, and here you go. I also went ahead and used add some mascara. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss another upload. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the love and support, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Tell a friend, tell another friend, tell all your friends, tell them to subscribe, hit their post notification button, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.